Aleph is the application designed for study and classification purposes in homeopathy. Aleph is a web application and no installation is needed. Despite this, right after selecting your subscription plan, you will be able to use your personal and customizable version of the database. This application works as a real prompter, and it is capable to combine the homeopathic knowledge on the materia medica and on the classical repertory with new features that will give you the possibility to run searches by concepts and by families of homeopathic remedies. The other major feature of Aleph is its flexibility. In fact, it enables you to edit both the repertory and the sections dedicated to concepts and families according to your own needs and in few simple steps. Now, let's get an overview of the Aleph application. As you can see, there are several sections you can work with: desktop, library, materials, and patients. The first section is represented by the desktop interface, which has been designed to help you use Aleph as a prompter for the homeopathic prescription of remedies. You can easily search the symptoms contained in the rubrics by simply typing the names of one or more symptoms and then selecting the results you need. The Aleph repertory represents a compromise between the desire to preserve the classical homeopathic tradition developed from Kent up to the present day and the need to use a much more modern tool that no longer contains obsolete terminology or pointless redundancies. The aim of the project is to provide you with a basic tool that can be implemented and updated thanks to the contribution of the entire community. Before starting your repertorization, you can edit the weight of each and every rubric and rename the clipboard to immediately save the rubric. By clicking on the chart button, you will be able to view the results provided by Aleph. Again, you will be able to modify the algorithm or to use the filters offered by the application. What's more, by placing the cursor on the names of the remedies, Aleph will automatically suggest, if present, the keynote associated with the substance. You can modify and edit all this information at your convenience by accessing the books subsection that you find inside the library section. You will also have the opportunity to combine the classic repertorization method with the concept-based search. If, for example, you enter the word dryness, Aleph will automatically suggest families of remedies and further concepts you may need to explore during your consultations. You can now select the most suitable families and run a broader search. This will allow you to make the algorithm work more efficiently and to make use of more effective suggestions. Let's consider now the library section. This section is dedicated to the study activity, and it also allows you to edit and modify the repertory, the materia medica, and the concepts of homeopathic families. This section is made up of 3 different subsections, identified by specific tab labels. The repertory subsection enables you to modify the entire repertory, starting from a single rubric. Furthermore, the repertory gives you the opportunity to study and compare 2 or more remedies, and to view and compare different families of remedies. For further details, please watch the specific video tutorial. The books subsection enables you to use Aleph to improve your knowledge of each individual remedy. By choosing one among the 1,000 remedies held in the database, like for example the Taxus remedy, you will be provided with information on the substance, on pharmacology, on scientific studies, and on the related myths and legends. You will also obtain information related to provings and to the materia medica of the classical masters. Remember that you can modify and update all the sections according to your personal knowledge or experience. By accessing the keynote section, you will be able to enter your own description of the remedy and to view all this information in the clipboard chart that you find inside the repertory section. Now, let's move to the concept section, the true innovation of Aleph. In this section, you will be able to study and to deepen your knowledge of the concepts of remedies in a family study perspective. To explain the features of this important section, we've created a specific video tutorial that you can find in the community section. By clicking on the three buttons on the top right of the page, you will be able to view all the information contained in the database, organized by families, remedies, or concepts. These three sections allow you to view what type of remedies are held in the database, a database that currently contains 1,000 remedies. You will also be able to find out which and how many of the families, both homeopathic and non-homeopathic, are available, and to view the list of the concepts and the related synonyms. You will also have the possibility to save and store your searches in your personal archive, the Materials section. Another remarkable feature of Aleph is that it actually provides you with a useful and flexible database that you can use to record your patient data, the consultations, and the prescriptions. If you need to revise the platform features, you can watch the explanation video tutorials we made for you anytime you need. The video tutorials are available both in the community and in the Aleph section. I wish you a successful work, and I hope you will explore the platform and join the Aleph community.